Eto, ayaw akong tantanan nito. Ang kulit nito. Nagdala pa ng kaibigan. Salam. Singgay kay. Bumalik ka na sa shop mo.
Hello everybody! For today's video, we are here sa isang local market dito sa Pakistan. Hindi lang fresh lang mga gulay at prutas ang matatagpuan mo dito. In Pakistan, you will find the warm welcome of Pashtun people kahit
This is
saan.
the hospitality of Pashtun. Philippines!
Sa vlog na to, hatid ko ay masayang local interaction
Philippines Sindabad! Philippines
at makulit na kwentuhan with my Pashtun friends.
Tagain kita dyan.
Isa talaga sa pinakamagandang parte ng pag-travel ay ang makilala ang mga tao at maranasan ang kanilang araw-araw na pamumuhay.
Sa ulo kang bata ka.
This is Kay Toretto and welcome to another episode of my Palenque series here in Pakistan. Let's go, let's do it.
Sabi ni Bayjan, what? Philippines is what?
Country is my friend.
Ang Philippines talaga tsaka Pakistan, mag-friendship yan. Sabi niya, Philippines is a very good country. Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Toretto here. So for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Hi everybody, so for today's video, this is where I'm gonna be starting my Palenque series for today. It's another, still with Arif. Baya mo siya because he's talking to his friends. Sabi ko, magpapalenque series ako for today's because for today's ang daming araw. So we are here in Rawalpindi. But first, we have visited one of the Arif friend. Dito kami sa may mobile shop somewhere here. So ayun, mag-iikot-ikot lang kami. But first, since super init pa sa labas, dito muna kami na sa loob. Kaget lang tayo ng mga telepono. Charis lang. So, come with me, okay? And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification buttons on so you'll be updated on the next episodes at sa aking mga ganap. Without further ado, let's do it. Let's go. I think he's famous here. You say hi. So everybody, this is the shop owner, Mustafa. Mustafa, hello. Bumibili tayo ng cable sa kanila ngayon kasi sira na yung cable ng iPhone ko. Kitne is this?
She's our guest.
Ah.
That's why we don't take gift.
What if all my followers come? You will give them all? Kayo talaga. You will give them all? Be careful, ha? Okay, half price daw. Oh, half price. Ay, shukriya. Ay, it's charging. Ah,
He's
also famous. What is your content? What do you do?
They are making videos on mobile.
Gusto ko nag-delete ka sa rally. Oh, hoy. Wala pa tayong isang minuto, dumating na yung chai. Talaga naman. Oh, Arif, oh. Ay, you don't like chai, right? Why you don't like chai? Oh, chai ka. Why you don't like chai?
It's not good for this.
Ay, not good for skin. Taray naman talaga. Not good for skin daw. Are you sure this is original? Walang tiwala sa Pakistan. Ay, original nga. Kit na iPhone 16. 20,000 installment.
230 PKR.
230? Huh?
230,000 Pakistani.
Taray. 3,000 dirham. Where did you get this
For
phone?
the Mustafa,
This from
price
Hong Kong.
is reasonable.
From Hong Kong? You go to the Mustafa Mobile. This is original. Chinag ko yung, I checked the camera, it's legit. So, Dubai quality, but Hong Kong price. Di ba? Oh, ay, tama ako. Are you sure this is original, ah? They told me it's original, ah. They confirmed it to me. So, if it's not, then, bahala kayo dyan. I like white now. Now, I like white iPhone. I don't like black now.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम के टोरेटो हमारे पास आई है फिलिपाइन से आई है इनको मोबाइल के रेट दिखाए हैं मोबाइल ने चेक किया हमारी शॉप ने विजिट किए इन्होंने कहा है कि मैं तो पूरी दुनिया पे घूमती रहती हूँ विजिट करती रहती हूँ माशाल्लाह आपके प्राइस बहुत रीजनेबल है share some view what are about us sir.
So everybody, I am looking for a new cable for my iPhone and I want to make sure that I find the original one and they sell it here in Mustafa. And also I'm checking to upgrade my phone. They also have this here. It's original, ha. I checked it. I can guarantee you that all the mobiles that they sell here, it's original and you can trust them with it.
इन्होंने मोबाइल चेक किया एक मोबाइल चेक किया खुद भी मोबाइल एक्सपर्ट मुझे नजर आती हैं बहुत माशाल्लाह विजिट करती हैं इनको पश्तो भी आती है सम मैसेज इन पश्तो स्पीक अब माय पश्तो व्यूअर्स
I'm good. Oy, everybody, akala ko may iPhone 17 sila dito. Meron silang iPhone 17 Pakistani version. 35,000 PKR. From afar, kala ko talaga iPhone. Pero pag hawak mo siya, alam mong iba na siya. Parang $100. Pakistani iPhone 17. Pakistani version. Nakakatawa to. $100, meron ka ng iPhone 17. Pag inopen mo siya, ito na mo, naglalag siya very light, pero yung software niya, iPhone na iPhone naman. Oh, kita nyo ba? Pwede na, not bad. Mukha kang ano, tawag dito, mukha kang karakter sa The Hobbit, saka sa mga ano, kapatid ng prinsipe. Green eyes. The tea maker. Gusto ko yung the tea maker. Wait lang nga, yung sapatos ko. Afghani daw siya, hindi daw siya Pakistani. Wala mo ko sinabi. Ikaw talaga. What do we do? Hi. Ay, Manny Pacquiao. Ang laban na to.
Hello everybody! Ready to explore the beauty of Pakistan? This fall, come experience Pakistan with us in its most magical season. And let's all make an unforgettable moments together. Join our autumn tour this 2026 with your hosts, Kay Toretto and Francis Candier. Batch 4 starts on October 29 and Batch 5 starts on November 12. Price starts at $699 USD for 6 days.
Wow!
From breathtaking landscapes to authentic village life, this is more than just a trip. It's a story that you will remember forever. Limited slots only. Are you ready to explore Pakistan like never before? Message now to reserve your spot.
Everybody, so this is it. This is really easy. Dito na magsisimula ang ating...
my shop.
Ay, you want to show your shop also? He wants to show his shop daw. Okay, we show. Bigyan mo ako accessories, ha? Ang liit ng mukha nito, no? Ang ganda ng register sa camera ko. You're brothers?
No.
Parang ayaw mo sa kanya.
Sada cameraman is good.
Gwapo-gwapo nga eh.
Shop is very good. Not
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Yeah, arrangement. It's clean. It's good. I like. Hoy! Gising!
वो से जोड़ा कहाँ?
You did not make the video daw.
दस सीधा दे start हुआ.
If I need this, I will buy, ha?
Okay, you uploading to video?
Yeah.
Which one color?
Brown.
Yeah, don't.
Where did you get this? Mamaya maano yung mata ko, ha? Maldita. It's dirty inside. It's not new. Shuhada. Binibenta mo pa to. Yellow kumuko ba? Mamaya maano yung mata ko dyan.
This which one brown?
Ay, parang maganda to. Patingin nga.
Beautiful.
This is original. Mamaya maano yung mata ko dito, ha?
Yeah, original.
Naaway ko siya. Kasi ako baka mamaya maano yung mata ko. Asan na isa? Peace.
No, please. This take into you. Yeah.
Ay, ayun na, dalawa na.
Okay.
Para maganda to. Keep na this one.
This one
Ah.
for 450.
450 with camera, 450. Down, price.
400. Okay.
No, still
Only you.
Only me. Only me daw. Nilaro niya ako.
Hi guys, this is Nasir Wazir.
TikToker. Inintroduce niya yung sarili niya. Loko-loko.
My Waziristani.
Ha?
Waziristan. My village and Afghanistan.
I
Border of
see.
men. My village and Afghanistan. Boundary bilkul.
Mm.
Border and border. Waziristan people in danger.
Oh, show ko daw yung camera, yung ano niya, oh, hello. Gusto niya palang ipakita, ginalaw niya pa yung camera ko, ikaw talaga, kuya. Oh, shukriya. Oh, line? Good. Habang exposure nito. Ang cute nito. Ang sarap i-bag. Ang sarap pang ilagay sa bag, kuya. Lalaro mo ko. Nalingin na ako, sabi ko, 1,000 per video na tayo. Oh, go. Sa'yo na. Afghan is the best.
You for Chinese.
I'm not Chinese, I'm Philippines.
Oh, you are Filipini?
Yes.
Okay, I like the Filipini.
Ay, like Pilipini daw. Wala. Kuya talaga. Okay, good. O, sige na. Bas na. Huwag niyo ako pinaggagawa ng TikTok. Mga marites. So everybody, for our nakapag-intro na ba ako? So for our second stop, papunta naman tayo dito sa cousin shop na. Kayong dalawa, ayaw nyo akong tanan-tanan. Ito na yung dalawang nangungulit sa akin sa picture kanina. Salam!
China.
Nay, Philippines eh. Philippines.
Where
Dubai? Yes. Wait, are you cousins? Brothers? All of you? Same mother? Same mother? Ah, okay. Ang cute nyo namang magkakapatid. Ang ganda. Your shop is beautiful. Yeah. Ganda ng shop nila. Eto. Saglit lang. Eto, ayaw mo kong tantanan nito. Ang kulit nito. Nagdala pa ng kaibigan. Oh, salam, salam, salam. Nagdala ka pa ng kaibigan. Namimili ako eh. Oh, you talk to me? How are you? Singay. Hey. Ang kulit mo. Bumalik ka na sa shop mo. Bumalik ka na sa shop mo. Ay, di pa paawat. Mukha itong artista. Oh. Selfie daw kami. Ayaw niyo kong tantana? Hindi niyo ko tantana? Oh. It's all together. Pinagtitinda ng... Can you do height? Height. Go. So everybody, let's go to our next destination. Ah, ito pala ang mga bangles. Ayun pala yung mga bangles nila. Dito pala. Okay, bumili ako ng contact lens, try lang. Pareho lang siya nung isa pero mukhang mas maayos kasi dito.
This is gift for you.
No, you accept.
No, this is
But-
for you. This is for our side.
Ay, taray naman ng pag-gift. How many months can last? How many months? 1 month? Egg month?
No, unlimited. You use unlimited. Just put in water. I have a water bottle. and
I have also.
I have 2 drops in
Ay, taray naman talaga.
this bottle, and you
Yeah,
put in this.
Yeah, I have
And
this.
this is water. First you put in water,
Yeah.
then put in ice. Okay. This is gift from our side.
No need, it's okay. I will pay this. No, don't give this. I will pay.
This is
Accept
from,
na, please.
This is from our shop SA Collection. Okay. You take name in this SA Collection.
As a collection daw, oh. Shout out nyo na yan.
You want anything more?
Bye, thank you. Kaya na pa ako, naka-off cam na, nag-i-insist na ako magbayad, ayaw niya pa rin. Kasi yung iba, pag may camera lang. Ito, pinatay ko na yung camera, mga 2 minutes. Pinipilit ko, ayaw niya talagang tanggapin. Oh, thank you. Nice meeting you. You say hi na. Kuti-kuti sana to, kaso religious daw eh. Baka maibig tayo. Huwag yan, baka dasalan ako ng rekta, young girl. So, ayun na everybody, nakakuha kong contact lens, tapos charger ko, cable pala, cable sa iPhone. Tinry ko siya mabilis. Original daw yung binigay nila sa akin. Let's thank Mustafa Mobile and Mustafa Cosmetic Shop. Dahil nagbibigay sa akin. Ano ba to? Parang charity yung paglalabas ko din. Parang naging charity yung shopping ko. So maglakad-lakad pa tayo. Si Arif, aalis na siya. May gagawin siya. Sabi ko, wag na siya magstay. Wag niya na akong samahan. Gusto niya pa akong samahan. Sabi ko, wag na. I am okay. I can manage this alone. Naglalakad-lakad lang tayo, everybody. Marami pang pwedeng gawin dito, actually. Ba't mukha ko pinapakita ko? Wait lang. Kasi may mga babae pala around. Sorry kung pag nasa akin yung camera, you already know what it means. May mga babae nagtatakip ng mukha and we don't want to show them. We have to make sure that we respect them, okay? Salam! 1 tray of egg. Ay, bigas. Wait lang. May tota rice kaya sila dito? Ha? Jasmine. Jasmine na eh. Alam nyo ba, everybody, for the hunt ako ng jasmine rice. Kahit hindi jasmine rice, basta malapit lang sa bigas natin sa Pinas. Bala ko magsinigang. You know, like same Thailand rice? Wait, I will show you my rice. The same Philippine rice. Yeah. It looks like Philippines. 1 minute. Bibili talaga ako ng bigas. Kasi yung bigas ko hindi maganda. Sana kasing lasa to ng jasmine rice. Sure, 100 rupees. Isang kilong bigas. Ang mura. No, I will pay. Accept, please. But give me 2 plastics. Ano to? Tell them to accept. No, guess. This is business.
You know the hospital.
I know Pashtun, but I don't like na. It's not good na. Ano tong shopping ko? Naging libre na. Hindi pwede. No, accept. See? Makikipag-away tayo. Kailangan tanggapin nila tong bayad ko kasi wala pang tumatanggap ng bayad ko simula kanina. Okay. I said in my vlog that you should accept this. Please na. It's okay you accept. Please accept. It's okay.
He says that you are our guest. That's why we want to take.
Okay, but when I come back next time, I like this, I will pay, ha? Ayaw akong pagbayarin. He's not happy. He's like that. But I want...
Check the money, that's why you're not happy.
Yeah. Nagalit daw yung nagtitinda kasi daw, pinipilit ko daw magbayad. Hoy, nag-aayos ako ng pangsinigang ko. Salam. Ang cute naman ng bata. Can I say hi? Ay! Yung sibuyas na laglag. Assalamualaikum. Mukhang manika. Assalam. This your son?
Girl.
It's girl. Daughter. Yeah, sabi ko na. Nung tinititigan ko yung mukha, babae ito. Hello. Ang cute. Sarap iuwi. Hello. Cute ng anak niyo. Ang ganda. Mukhang manika yung bata. I-video ko daw siya, oh. I-video ko daw siya. Oh. Ayaw niya magpaawat sa video. Sibuyas, kamatis. Hoy everybody, namimili ako ng gulay kasi magsisinigang ako. Kailangan kong kumain ng sinigang. Kailangan ko ng comfort food. Kailangan kong maging masaya sa buhay. Okay, you go to university. I will message you to, ha? You message me. And then I'll message you, okay? Okay, like this. Yeah, but give me good price, ha? So, namimili tayo ng gulay bago ako umuwi. This is gonna be the last part of my palengke series. For today's video, nakapagbigas na ako. Tapos si Arif, bumalik na sa school. He needs to do something in his university. So, ayan. This, but only little, ha? Don't cheat me with the price, ha? You tell me the good price, ha? Gusto mo yung namimili ako dito? Mahilig ako sa sitaw. Damihan natin yung sitaw. Hi, thank you, shopper. Oh. Okay na to. Ano pa ba? Ano to, mangga? Mangga ba to?
Next vegetable.
Ha?
Next.
Where's your... Eto. Isang sibuyas lang. Pang isang tao lang talaga yung niluluto ko. I need small only. Tatawa siya sa akin. What else? Ano pa ba? Wala kang ceiling green. Wala siyang ceiling green. Alam mo, parang gusto ko mag-ampalaya. Okay na yan, kuya. Bas na yan. Kailangan ko ng ceiling green.
You are ready?
Ek minute. First, finish the shopping and then I give the TikTok. Green chili, big.
Green chili big.
But big, ha? No. The bigger one. Pang paksiw, kuya. Na-excite talaga akong isaing tong bigas na to. Sana masarap. This is what? Jalapeno? No. Big chilies? Same, but big? Or no?
Yes.
Same?
Yes.
Hindi ko alam, everybody, kung ito ba yung siling pama... This is same. Ito nga. Ito na, nakita ko na. Totoo nga. Alam nyo, wala sila ditong ano. Wala akong makitang kangkong talagang kangkong natin.
Kachalo. Arbi.
Gabi. Okay. Comment down below kung gabi ba talaga to. Namimili talaga ako ng gabi. Only 3. Okay? Bas. Arabi? This one? Yeah, kit ni all. Dagdagan mo na nga ng ano. Sa'yo na nga ako kukuha. Puro okay na yan. Kahit di ko kumakain yan. Hi, 50 rupee lang to. Sile, gabi, tsaka 4 na pirasong okra. Thank you. He told me the real price. Sinabi niya talaga sa akin yung totoong presyo. Thank you. Very much. Sabi niya very much. Balik na tayo kay kuya. Abay dyan, let's go again. I found the big na. No. Yung nagtitinda, nilibre ako ng sharbat. Mga tao talaga dito. Maliit na yung kita mo, ikaw pa yung nanlilibre, no? Imagine mo talaga sa Pakistan, maliit na yung kita nila, sila pa nanlilibre. Okay, tell me the price.
Give me 50 rupees.
50 lang? Okay, 50 lang din daw. Show me what is this. Hoy, ito yung mga binili ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. Para malaman nyo bibili ako ng saging. Sitaw, 1 pirasong sibuyas, 1 pirasong kamatis, taka ng labanos.
Your ID name?
Kay Toretto. Kay Toretto. Hoy, nakakatipid ako. Pag si Francis kasama ko, mapapagastos ako. Pero pag ako lang nakakatipid ako, hi Francis, I miss you, my sisterette.
Sharbat ke?
Ne, shukriya. Kay Toretto. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all. Thank you. Gusto mo talaga yung namimili ako talaga ng gulay. Alam mo, may kumain ng saging ko sa may flat. Salam. Maliit lang. Konti lang. Mga, sorry. Nalaglag siya. Maganda ba to? Ito na lang. Pwede na yan. Kitne! Ha? Sar? Give me that. Ano ba? Yeah, this. Yeah. Nilalaro niya pala ako. Sarap ulo kang bata ka. Okay. So lalakarin ko lang to. Magbibili lang ako dito. Tapos dito na rin ako sasakay pa uwi. Kasi may nakita ako mga kung ano-ano dito eh. So, tara na. Alam nyo ba may pitch na? Yan pala nangyayari ang mga watermelon. Diyan pala nangyayari yan. Bumili kaya ako dyan no, para mura. Dumiretso sa bagsakan. Diyan pala yan nangyayari. Makakamura kaya ako pag yun ako bumili. One more. Sabi ni Bayjan, what? Philippines is what?
Country is my friend.
You have good friends in the Philippines. Philippine daawre ka na. Saida, shukriya. Ang Philippines talaga tsaka Pakistan, mag-friendship yan. Narinig niyo ba yung sinabi ni Bayjan? Sabi niya, Philippines is a very good country. I agree. Pero wait lang, may nakikita pa akong mga prutas-prutas dito. Apple. Alam mo, maganda yan ngayon sa tiyan ko. Kasi nagloloko yung tiyan ko eh. Wala ba kayong ano dyan? Mango shake. Sarap nung melon, no? Alam niyo ba, nakita ko lang to kanina. Sabi ko, babalikan ko to. Binalikan ko talaga, di ba? I'm good, you. Ang bibilin ko na next baka. Ready na talaga ako pang Good, you. Ayan na. Hanggang doon pa pala. Ay. I'm good. Sindabad. Sindabad. Philippines. Philippines, Sindabad. Philippines. Ha? Ay. Sa kanya nang galing yan, but I agree. Ano pa bang meron? Ay, ayoko na ng mga melon na yan. Ay, hanggang dyan na lang yan. So basically, everybody, dito ako namimili sa gilid ng daan na nakita ko lang kanina sa sasakyan. So ayun. So let's go. You want to say hi?
Chinese.
Nay, Philippines eh. Wow, Philippines. Philippine. Pashto laga-laga. Tora. Wow. Laga-laga.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Kala ko naman bibigay mo sa akin, kuya. You have free taste?
Free taste?
Yeah. Taka lang. Nagahay yung mga nagtitinda. Ang gagwapo nila, no? Wait lang yung bag ko, kuya. You have water? Clean. Nangingi ka na. Ikaw pa yung nagpalinis. Say Philippines Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Bye-bye. This is the hospitality of Pashtun. You Pashtun? Pashtun. Gusto mo ba yung huminto lang talaga ako doon para manghingi ng pitch? Kasi season na nito, masarap na to. Everybody, for our last stop, so Arif is back. He did not go to his university. Gulo-gulo niya kausap. So ayan, and we're back with Luqman, with Mr. Luqman, the one who gave us the free rice, now giving us free, ang daming pinagbibigay niya sa akin. Bigyan niya ako ng wipes, bigyan niya ako ng kung ano-anong nuts. Thank you so much. Ayun talaga ang legit na na hospitality ng Pasyon. Even my camera is off, they're still calling me come back for Kawa. I was supposed to go home na because I'm done with the shopping, but let's end it here, sitting with them, just having Kawa. So, ayun. Mr. Ibrahim Khan in the house. So, dito tayo sa shop nila nagchat-chay at the moment. Pasok ko daw siya sa TikTok. Ayaw niyang umalis. Kaya na pa tong batang to. Kada kilos ko, may pinapakain sila sa akin. Konting kibo, may kinakain na kung ano-ano. Para kung ibon. What is this?
Nuts. Nuts. You can see this one. You call this.
Like that?
Pakistani daira nahi da.
It's good.
Ajwa.
Huh?
Ajwa. Ajwa, it comes specially from Saudi Arabia.
This one I know. Ang dami nilang pinapakain sa akin. Check ko daw tong dates na to. Masarap daw to. Bakit parang gas whites?
I think
Material thing?
this word is materialistic. I am not like a materialist. I believe on the emotions, expressions, and I listen the heart.
Tagain kita dyan. I like material. Charis lang, joke lang.
Material is important
Yes.
in the life, but
Yeah.
humanity is a good thing.
Oh, may pa humanity. Arif for politician 2026.